Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Hope you're doing well. Today I'm super excited because I really wanted to do a video dedicated to the Pantone Color of the Year for 2022. So the Pantone Color of the Year is Very Peri, which is a beautiful periwinkle shade. I love this type of color and it's definitely hard to find makeup, nail polish, things like that in this shade of blue. It's kind of like a mix between blue and purple, and I just thought it'd be really fun to share with you some of my favorite eyeshadows. But I also wanted to do a tutorial with the eyeshadows that I picked out of my collection as well. So this eye look right here, as you can tell, very periwinkle, perfect for the Pantone Color of the Year. So if you want to know my favorites, I will do some swatches and share with you guys my favorite periwinkle makeup, and also have a nail polish favorite. Then definitely keep on watching, and I'm also going to do a tutorial for this eye look as well. So let's just have some fun today. Grab a drink, grab a snack, and let's get started. So I only have one nail polish favorite, so I thought I would mention that first, and then we'll get into the makeup. So the most beautiful and the only periwinkle nail polish I own is from Ella and Mila. It's from their Dream collection. I think you can still get this. This is in the shade Please Me. And of course, I had to wear it for this video. This is such a beautiful periwinkle. It just, to me, is a true periwinkle nail polish. If you haven't tried Ella and Mila, they're a really great, non-toxic, cruelty-free, I think they're vegan as well, just a really great nail polish brand, very opaque. I really love their nail color. And of course, you guys, I will have everything linked below if you guys want to shop or check this out for yourself. It's just beautiful. It's just spot on, beautiful periwinkle shade, and I love it so much. Definitely, you have to try this. It's such a good one. All right, let's move on to the makeup. I have some indie and I also have some drugstore favorites. So the first one here is the most affordable out of all of them, and it's the Away Studio Loose Pigment in the shade Mystical. And this is the most gorgeous, oh my gosh, gorgeous periwinkle shade. And this definitely is a little bit lighter, but it's so magical. It actually shifts a little bit purple, a little bit pink, a little bit blue. It's like the perfect mixture of all those different tones, but it definitely straight up looks like a periwinkle shade. So here's what it looks like in the bottle. If you have not tried these, you guys, they're $1. Yes. Isn't that, it is just divine. And hopefully you can see, like, when the light hits it, I see a little purple, a little blue, a little pink even. These are beautiful. You can use them wet or dry, and it's fantastic. It's absolutely stunning. All right, my next pick goes to e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this again is very affordable from the drugstore, and this is part of their bite-size eyeshadow quads, and this is called Acai You. I love these so much, you guys already know. One of my favorites is pumpkin. I think it's called pumpkin pie. I also love the green quad, but this one is really pretty as well. Now I will say that this shade here is more, it's very light, but once you combine the other colors together, you get a really pretty, smoky, soft periwinkle look. Almost like a smoky blue periwinkle situation going on. These are not the best swatches, I apologize. But here's the 4 shades swatched out. So very like cool toned, smoky quad with a little hint of periwinkle. This one had to be in this video because I think you can get a very similar look, and I have done a look with this multiple times and I love how it turns out every single time I use it. So yeah, these are just really great quads. I think they're like $3 or $4 and you really can't go wrong. So e.l.f. really just nailed it with this one. All right, and then the last 2 eyeshadows I have are actually singles, and you can get them from GiveMeGlowCosmetics.com. Again, links will be all down below. During their Black Friday sale, I purchased a whole bunch of single shadows, and if you guys want to see my swatch party video, I don't know if it's going to go up before this video or after, but that will be coming. I wanted to do kind of a swatch party. I've never done that before, so that video will be coming. Definitely check it out. I'll link it below once it goes up on my channel. But these 2 shades have been on my wish list for so long because, again, it's hard to find a true periwinkle eyeshadow. So I moved moved them into this little magnetic palette so you guys can just see them on their own because it's hard to hold up that huge palette. So the first one here is called Wink. And it's a beautiful matte true periwinkle blue. I mean, look at her. She is gorgeous. If you have not tried Gimme Glow Cosmetics, they are an indie brand. You can only get their products from their website. That is the shade Wink. I mean, look at that. That is just a true straight up periwinkle shade. These retail for $7 each. They're matte and regular foiled eyeshadows are only $7. So not too expensive if you're just looking for, you know, a very particular periwinkle shade. $7 isn't too bad. And the other shade is a foiled, and they're foiled. I feel possessed, like, whoa. This is in the shade Peri, P-E-R-I. Ah, it goes perfect, right? Because Very Peri, get it? Very Peri is the Pantone color of the year. Here is what Peri looks like. This is a gorgeous periwinkle foiled eyeshadow. Oh my god, you're so pretty. So that is what Peri looks like. Oh my god, look how icy. It's just so icy and beautiful. I mean, these three shades were just meant to be together. Oh my gosh, it's just so stunning. I mean, look at that shine. I hope you found those swatches helpful if you are looking for a really nice periwinkle shade. So if you guys want to see how I did this eye look right here using some of my favorite periwinkle products, then keep on watching. Let's go ahead and get into the tutorial for this look. All right, I have you guys zoomed in a little bit, so let's go ahead and get into this really easy eye look. I already primed my eyes with the Gimme Glow eyeshadow primer, and I have the shade Parchment. I've actually been really enjoying this. It has really great coverage. I did set it with a little bit of my Colourpop No Filter powder. So as a transition color, I'm going to use this matte shade here first. So I'm just going to apply this through the crease. Nothing fancy going on. I'm going to use my e.l.f. contour brush and take that same e.l.f. shade and apply this along the lower lash line. I'm going to switch to the e.l.f. blending brush. This is great for the crease. And we're going to take that beautiful periwinkle blue from Gimme Glow. I'm going to take that. Definitely tapping my brush off because these are very pigmented. So I'm going to apply this. Let's start on the outer corner. I'm just going to pat this on. And then just slowly start to blend that in the crease. I'm going to pull it onto the lid a little bit more. And if you ever need to go back in with the other shade, like on this side, I feel like I need to take a little bit more of that lighter color and just blend the edge a little bit. Alright, so for the lower lash line, I'm going to take that same Wink color and just start adding that to the lower lash line. Layering and just seeing how deep you want to take this look. It's totally up to you. Alright, so the star of the show, Peri. So I'm going to use my e.l.f. Cosmetics eyeshadow C brush. This is my favorite brush to use with the Gimme Glow foils. I feel like it picks up pigment really nice. So I'm going to go ahead and take Peri, and this is going to go on the lid. Oh, I just want that shimmer all over. Oh my god, that's so pretty. I'm going to go in with my brush here, just kind of wiped it off. I'm just going to lightly go over the edge. So for the inner corner, I'm going to be using the AOA Studio Loose Pigment in Mystical. Yeah, this is perfect. So it's just a little bit lighter than that Gimme Glow shadow. Oh my god. This look just makes me so happy, you guys. I love playing with blues and purples. And this is just, it's giving. So I'm going to actually take one of my favorite nude liners for the waterline. This is from the Balm Cosmetics. It's called Mr. Right. Say More Day Nights. The names are so strange. It's just a nude, retractable nude liner. Okay, so for liner, I was thinking of not doing a wing. I've been doing a lot of wing liners lately, but I need some kind of liner. So I was thinking of using this Flower Beauty Glossy Gel Eyeliner in Galaxy. It's kind of a really dark blue, but there's like beautiful shimmer throughout, so I thought this would be perfect. So let's go and try this, and I will be like kind of smudging this out. So that's pretty much it with the eyeshadow. I love how this turned out, you guys. So I'm gonna go off camera, finish off the eyes with some mascara and lashes and the lips, and I'll come back to show you guys the finished look. So that's everything, you guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. I wanted to do something different today, something fun, and I just love playing with makeup that I already have. These are just stunning. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you are new. Again, I will have all these products linked below in the description box. Leave a comment down below and tell me, do you have a favorite cruelty-free Periwinkle nail polish or eyeshadow that I am missing out on? Please tell me in the comments below, as long as it's cruelty free. Make sure to subscribe. I post on Tuesdays and Fridays every week, and you can also find me on TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. My links are always below. When I'm not here on YouTube, I'm over on there having fun posting content as well. So thank you guys for watching. I will catch you all in the next video. Bye.